Hello. Today we are going to learn about diseases and the reasons for its occurrence. So, first we have to be familiar with the word diseases. What are diseases? Diseases are the abnormal conditions in the body. People who are infected with a disease would not be able to function properly. Taking it in another way, a disease is the condition of abnormal function of a part of the body or the whole body. So, the unwell condition of our body due to the lack of hygiene, rest, and improper diet leads to problems. Sometimes diseases occur due to deficiency of particular nutrients in our diet. They are called as the nutritional deficiency diseases. Taking few examples such as goiter. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine and it can be cured by taking iodized salt in food and eating seafood. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Rickets is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D, and anemia is the deficiency of iron in the food. Now, let's have a look at the second point, that is unhealthy food habits and lifestyle and lack of physical activity. Eating junk foods and fast foods can be a big reason for the cause of certain diseases. Hypertension, obesity, blood pressure, diabetes are related with unhealthy lifestyle. Next one is malfunctioning of a particular part of a body. A heart attack occurs when the supply of blood and oxygen to an area of heart muscle is blocked. Fourth reason for the occurrence of disease is because of microorganisms. These microorganisms like bacteria causes tetanus. Now there are some diseases which spread from one person to other while others do not. They are categorized into two types: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Now have a look at the communicable diseases. Communicable diseases spread from one person to another through germs. These germs can spread through infected food, water, air, insect bites, or direct contact with the infected person. Ringworm and scabies are caused due to the touching of the patient, and it comes under the direct contact. Through air, measles, common cold and cough, tuberculosis, diphtheria are spread. Through insect bites, malaria, dengue, yellow fever can be spread. Cholera, typhoid, and jaundice are few examples that are that occur due to infected food and water. Now coming on to non-communicable diseases. These diseases cannot be transmitted from one person to another. For example, scurvy, cancer, anemia, rickets, and beriberi. These diseases occur sometimes due to the deficiency of nutrients or unhealthy lifestyle, or they may be present at birth. That's all for the topic food, health, and hygiene. Now let's have a look on questions for your assignment. You have to answer these questions. First question is, what is a disease and what are the different reasons for occurrence of diseases? Second question, define communicable diseases and name some of them. Third, how do communicable diseases spread from one person to another? And the last, fourth question is, what are non-communicable diseases? In our next video, we will solve some of the exercises. Thank you.